Enchanting Eyes, where every week we'll be bringing a cruelty-free makeup tutorial, which is called Take Care of You series.
I'm just smiling all the
You
time.
look so cute with your beret. You look so fancy. Also, she didn't actually buy that in France, where she's just been. She bought it from H&M.
Oh, I looked for them in France. You'd think they'd have, but they didn't.
Well, she looks so cute, and I've got nothing happening. Anyway, today's video, what are we doing? Do you want to tell them about it?
We're doing mystery boxes that we found on Take-A-Lot.
Yeah.
One from Essence and one from Catrice. And they have 10 products each, and we haven't opened them at all.
Yay! So yeah, we don't know what we're getting.
We're going to open them on camera and test out the products.
Yeah, gonna test out, see what we get, and see if we have stuff we already have, or if we're gonna add to our collection. Probably have a lot of it, but it's cute because we don't know what we're getting.
Yes.
Okay, so I show the boxes.
Ooh!
That looks so nice.
Okay, I got 2 Essence nail polishes. One's called Glow and Care and the French Manicure.
Okay, and then I got the Luxury Nudes Moray Shine. I don't know how you say that. And the Ultimate Nail Lacquer in the shade You Are On My Mint.
Oh, cute. I didn't read my names. Mine's called Let's Be French.
And you're wearing a oh my word, that
and
box was made for you.
I just came back from Cannes. So I got this Essence 2-in-1 lipstick and liner, matte. And then I got an Essence lipstick in My First Love. And oh my god, that's so nude.
Okay, and I got a lip liner in the shade Tom and Berry. Oh, that's cute. And then I got an Infinite Shine lip gloss in the shade Walk the Coraline. Anyway, it's like a watermelon color. And then I got a lipstick that also looks pale in the shade 60, and it says Dress Code Nude.
No, that's gonna be nice. Oh my gosh. It's pretty much, yours is nicer.
Yeah, mine is nicer. All about toffee.
Yeah, I got an All About Toffee eyeshadow palette from Essence.
And I got a
Obviously.
trio powder eyeshadow. I don't know how I feel about this. It looks like my grandma's curtains.
I got the Smoky 2-in-1 kohl liner. I don't know how it's 2-in-1. And then I got this Essence contouring eye pencil.
Okay, I got the pen stroke eyeshadow, limited edition Sound of Silence. And then I got the same, also pen stroke eyeshadow.
I got 2 mascaras.
You got mascaras.
I got Forbidden Volume mascara. Oh, and this is a top coat. Oh, with the black fibers. Oh, cool. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna wear both, but cool.
Okay, I got Catrice Gel Eye Pencil, limited edition Sound of Silence.
Is it gold?
Yeah. Oh. Did they give me, is there nothing in here? Am I missing the point?
Literally.
Oh my word, there's nothing in here.
Did it get squished in the lid? I think it got squished in the lid. You chose the worst box.
You got a good box. I want to swap boxes. Swap boxes with me.
And then my last product is the Stay I Know, which they don't
Wait,
make.
we haven't been able to find it. Katie, my powder just finished. Give it to me.
We haven't been able to find this because they've discontinued it and I got it at my box. I think this is actually all discontinued stuff in both boxes.
I think this is all discontinued. I got such a nice box. Okay, and then I got a blush. Oh, okay, it's an eye color.
It's a nice color.
Called Peacher Hunters.
So I'm going to take off my makeup and Jodie's going to put on some foundation.
Yeah, and I'm doing my eyebrows and I think contour and stuff because it's not.
Yeah.
I'll try and use Catrice things. But I'm not very impressed with you right now. Giving me a half-broken eyeliner and a granny eyeshadow.
I'm happy. I'll be right back.
No. Okay, so we just did our face, our eyebrows, our contours, all that ish. And now I'm gonna do our face.
I'm gonna start with this toffee, what about toffee eyeshadow palette?
You know what you're gonna do?
Probably nothing crazy because it's me.
Yeah, just go with it. I'm just gonna put this one
That's
in
so
the crease.
I love that.
And then I'm gonna maybe try and do a halo eye with these two.
Ooh. I love how Jodie's so like, I'm gonna do something creative, and I'm like, I will do the same thing I always do.
Oh gosh, well I'll have to try. I'm sorry, but I'm not using this.
You should.
Like,
stunning.
Let's see how this color is though. This like
that could be a nice like inner corner.
in the inner corner.
Yeah.
No,
That's sick.
do you see anything? That literally does look like chalk.
Wow, well, pigment's lacking a bit. Why is this eyeshadow palette so crap?
Okay, and I'm going on the outer and inner corners for my hater eye with the darker pink one.
Is this?
Kelly, I feel like Barbie.
I love pink eyes. I do pink eyes all. That sounds gross.
I love pink eye. I love putting my eye in shite.
I love me some pink eye.
Okay, that didn't blend. Look at me, Kelly. I look like a clown.
But a beautiful clown. I think it looks nice. I don't think it looks as bad as you. I'm gonna go into this black shade.
Oh.
No, never mind. It's literally the worst black I've ever used.
Oh no, wait, what is that?
Okay, I'm gonna go in with that eye contour. I can't. This palette, see, and I've never actually even seen these in shops. Like I've seen the other Essence palettes, but I think this one,
nudes and the roses.
this one was so bad that they were like, I'm just gonna put it in a mystery box. And we're back. Jodie's had a few drinks, so she's feeling hashtag lit. Hashtag one kiss is all I need. Falling in love with me. Okay, let's continue. So far Jodie and I are looking stunning with our makeup. Beautiful. Just kicked the whole camera.
But seriously, look at this.
Okay, I'm gonna go in.
I'm gonna do a wing. Katie, is all about me.
Okay.
We all know you're the associate. I'm gonna go and do a wing line.
With what?
With this gold.
Okay. I'm gonna put this in my waterline.
That don't look good.
I'm gonna go in with this how's Josh say?
Contouring
pencil in the shimmery shade. I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Stunning, beautiful.
Wow. You're doing so great, sweetie. Right, I'm feeling like this vibe is like hooker-esque with a touch of like 1960s disco.
Okay.
Alright.
I need to drink more because I feel like...
Yeah, Katie, you boring, oh.
I didn't know you got drunk so quickly.
Katie, how long have we been friends? No.
This went from unboxing mystery boxes to doing my makeup drunk.
With us, you get everything in one video.
I'm gonna do the forbidden volume. Oh, I hate it already.
Right, let me see. I think I'll dig it.
And Jodie, if you mean to me, I'm gonna keep in all your ugly parts.
Hashtag don't have any ugly parts.
Oh, this is the worst mascara. I hate it.
One kiss is all I need.
Jodie just tossed a mascara across the room.
Can I use the other one?
No, you have to
Okay,
use
get
this
it
one
for
on top.
me.
No, get up.
I won't come back.
Then we don't have a video.
Seeing as I don't trust your opinion about mascaras, let me test this on. Oh no, I like this mascara.
You can keep it. I won't use it.
No, dude, my eyelashes are looking bomb.
Okay, sorry, you look good and I look stupid.
Kenny, I've literally got like a pink, like, I won't say what I'm thinking on my eyes.
I also love how the lighting, you can see where my hair is supposed to be like nice blonde and then orange.
I feel like this light is making us look good. Like, in real life,
we're much uglier.
Let's be like the beauty gurus.
Quick montage of us being all slow-mo. I'm gonna go in this beautiful peachy shade that's not gonna show up on my lips.
Okay.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful.
Oh, talk to me, sweetie.
No, look how stunning.
Okay, what should I go with? Also, I missed.
Oh, no, this is gross. I'm not, no.
Should I try this red?
Yes, yes, do both.
The
Put this
pink
on
and then the
first.
red.
What is all over you?
I don't know. This is just like a sparkly lip gloss. Look.
It's the same as mine. Like some weird...
No, it looks like pretty-ish. Like I would wear this like a no makeup look. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with this watermelon stuff on top. Can you look? This is what it is. I'm the embodiment.
And she is.
I am the embodiment of Annie's orphan mother.
Annie's orphan mother. So Annie's not the orphan. The mother is. I'm finished, and on camera my makeup looks not so bad, but in person, trust me, it is awful.
Literally look like Frosty the Clown.
You look so pretty. I feel like my beret is saving.
Yeah, you look cute.
On camera, not close up.
No, but like... Alright, I'm not going to apply setting spray.
I think we should just...
Right now we're in a state of love.
I wanna feel like all the time. Ain't got no tears left to cry.
I'm picking it up, I'm loving, I'm living, I'm picking it up, I'm throwing it away.
Let's do what we loved.
Okay, alright, I wouldn't say loved, but I feel like I'm not a pink person. Like, it has to be a dusky pink. I feel like you'd love this.
Yeah, I would. I'd rather.
So I think that's a plus. This was actually not bad.
It's so pigmented.
It's so pigmented and it went on super well. If it wasn't actually half out, like, and I had to piece it back together, that was really nice. This wasn't bad. I feel like this was a no makeup, just like shimmer gloss sort of. Not bad. And yeah, that's it. These were awful. Absolutely goddamn awful.
Goddamn. This is nice. We didn't use it, but we love it.
Yeah.
So keeping it. These weren't bad. They look better on Jodie. There you go, Jodie. You get them.
Oh my god, lipstick on my teeth.
We probably both do. I still don't understand the purpose of this.
No.
This was okay. I have better red lipsticks.
Yeah, but it looks cute.
Yeah, I guess. Not sure what this was. This was crap. I don't do no makeup. I do a full-on makeup or none.
None. Yeah.
So sorry, no. I would never use this again. So you know what? Actually, this whole box.
Everything. No. The nail polishes look cute.
Yeah, we haven't tried this.
Yeah. But you know what? It was a fun experience.
It was interesting.
It was interesting.
But I feel like it was either like...
It was a good value for money.
Well, was it?
I mean, in terms of the amount of products you get for the money.
Like, let's just think about these palettes are normally what, like 80 rand? 60, 80 rand.
What does it work out to even know?
This is like...
This was worth everything because these are like
eight
transitioning out.
Yeah, these are like 8. This is like 80 rand. These are like 30 something. Mascaras are normally about 60. So if you put it all together, it's
What does
worth...
it come to?
It's worth... Editing, Katie, we'll put it on the screen now. It comes up to more than what we paid for it.
Yeah.
So...
Oh, seriously though, thank you for watching our video. I know it went a little bit...
But in a fun way.
That was me crashing. In a fun way. But we had so much fun doing this video, and as always, I like surprises. I don't know if we were pleasantly surprised. But... And the boys are having a party outside, so I think we're gonna go and join them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, share the cruelty-free love, and we'll see you on the next video.